Hi guys, now I am going to talk to you about how we can remember 7 crystal system easily. Okay, so let us go to the video. Based on the position of atoms in unit cell, the unit cells are categorized into 4 types. This notation P indicates for primitive unit cell, B is for body centered unit cell, F for face centered unit cell, and E for end centered unit cell. There are 3 edges and 3 angles in unit cell. Based on these 6 geometries, crystal systems are categorized into 7 types. To remember the 7 crystal system, you need to memorize the 7 letters like T, U, C, R, H, M, T. So this T at the initial indicates tetragonal and T at the end indicates triclinic. This R indicates rhombohedral and O indicates orthorhombic. C is for cubic. In fact, rhombohedral can also be called as trigonal. H indicates hexagonal. M is for monoclinic. So we have to remember these 7 letters as well as the picture that I am going to draw. You have to put a parallel line from T to R like this. This parallel line indicates equal to, and this T is below this T. Put a notation like this, and below triclinic notation like this. So these notations have some significance. This notation indicates equal to 90 degree. This notation indicates is not equal to 90 degree. This notation indicates equal to 120 degree. Based on these notations, we can say the 3 angles in the 7 crystal systems. For example, parallel line is there, right? So we have to write alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, which is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, for orthorhombic, alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, which is equal to 90 degree. Also for cubic, alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, that is equal to 90 degree. For rhombohedral, this parallel line is there, so alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, this notation indicates is not equal to 90 degree. For hexagonal, this is alpha, this is beta, this one is gamma. For hexagonal, alpha equal to beta equal to 90 degree and gamma, that is equal to 120 degree. For monoclinic, alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. This is alpha, beta, gamma. So beta is not equal to 90 degree, and for triclinic alpha equal to is not equal to beta, this is not equal to gamma, and this is not equal to 90 degree. So like this we can write the three angles, and for the three edge lengths you have to remember a number 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2. So this 1 indicates A equal to B is not equal to C, and 2 indicates A is not equal to B is not equal to C, and 3 indicates A equal to B equal to C. So now for cubic system as well as in rhombohedral system, A equal to B equal to C. Accordingly you can say the edge lengths based on these numbers. Okay, similarly you also have to remember different set of numbers like 2, 4, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1. This is for A, B, C. This is for alpha, beta, gamma, and this is for Bravais lattices. We have already seen there are 4 different types of unit cells like primitive, body centered, face centered, and end centered. So 4 different unit cells exist in orthorhombic crystal system, and this 3, that means cubic. In cubic, primitive can exist as well as body centered and face centered can exist. Definitely end centered unit cell cannot exist. So 3 has given. The number 1 indicates primitive type unit cells, and here 2, definitely primitive comes as well as body centered, and here primitive and end centered. You remember with alphabetical order, B comes first, so B comes here first and E is next. So in total there are 14 different types of Bravais lattices. It means 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 14. This 14 Bravais lattices also called as space lattices. So in the 14 space lattices, if one solid crystallize, then we can actually call that as crystal. Thank you for watching the video.